show you a magic today. As you can see that I am receiving this call, so let me pick up this call.
Hello, this is Zara calling from Trendway Boutique. You recently shared your details on TikTok for our clothing collection. Is this a good time to talk?
Yes, it is.
Wonderful. May I know if you're interested in our men's collection or women's collection?
I'm interested in your women's collection.
Great. What type of clothing are you usually interested in? Dresses, tops, shirts, streetwear, or something else?
Can you let me know about dresses?
Absolutely. Our dresses range from casual day wear to elegant evening style, including flowy maxi dresses, chic midi dresses, and trendy mini dresses. They come in various fabrics and colors to suit different occasions. May I ask, what size do you usually wear? We have XL, S and M, L, and XL available.
M size?
Of course. Could you please clarify what kind of insight you're looking for?
So as you can see, this call asked me about all the details, and further if I'll talk more, it is going to share me the discount coupon code, ask me to share the latest catalog and all of this on WhatsApp too. So yes, this is the amazing automation which we're going to create in today's video, where what is going to happen is that whenever we're going to receive a new lead from TikTok, automatically within 10 minutes a call something like this will be made towards my lead. And yes, to do this we're going to use Pabbly Connect. So what we're going to do is we're just going to open a new tab and open workflow builder inside Pabbly Connect if you are an existing user like me. But if you are a new user, open a new tab and search for pabbly.com/connect in your browser and open the landing page of Pabbly Connect. In the top right corner, you're going to see the option of sign up for free. So click on this sign up for free and you are going to get 100 of tasks free every month to explore Pabbly Connect. 100 of tasks free every month means that you can call up to 100 of leads for free, and yes, this is true. Once you try Pabbly Connect and if you like it, you can definitely purchase the subscription plan of Pabbly Connect. And for that, the discount coupon code is attached right over here, and this discount coupon code is only for the ones who watch our YouTube videos, which is one of you. And also what happens is when you use this discount coupon code, you're going to get a very heavy discount on the subscription plan of Pabbly Connect. And yes, I'll suggest you first try Pabbly Connect, and then if you like Pabbly Connect, then you can move on further and purchase Pabbly Connect using this discount coupon code. Alright, so now we're on the workflow builder of Pabbly Connect, and let's learn how to create this amazing automation where we don't have to call all the TikTok leads manually, but it will be done using Bolna AI and Pabbly Connect. So to do this, this is the most important window of our automation, which is our workflow window, and this is the most important window because we have trigger and action in this. Trigger and actions are the two main principles on which our workflow is going to run. Trigger means when this happens, and action means do this. So by this you can understand that the trigger starts the process and the actions are results towards the same. So to get started, we have to click on this add trigger button. For the trigger application, we have to search for TikTok lead generation. So search for TikTok lead generation and select it. For the event, you have to select new lead and click on this connect. Now it is saying add a new connection or select an existing connection. So if you have already created a connection between TikTok and Pabbly Connect, then click on this select existing connection and then save. But if you haven't, follow me, click on add a new connection and then connect with TikTok lead generation. Once you click on this, make sure you have logged in your TikTok account before starting with the automation. Otherwise, first Pabbly is going to ask you to log in your account and then only going to get this option to give Pabbly all the permissions. Once you get the option to give Pabbly all the permissions, just click on this confirm. It is asking for the verification code. So let's enter the verification code right over here. For that, we first have to select the objects which have the same shape. So as you can see, these two objects have the same shape. So we're just going to select and click on this confirm. Now once we click on this confirm, you're going to see that it is saying that it has sent me the verification code. So let's enter this verification code right over here. And after we enter this verification code, click on this confirm and your TikTok account will be connected with Pabbly Connect. After creating this connection, what you have to do is you just have to fill in these details. First of all, you have to fill in this advertiser ID, then you have to select this form ID. So as you can see that this is the form, so I'm just going to select the same form ID and click on this save and send test request. But before we click on the save and send test request, make sure the response format is advanced selected, and now click on this save and send test request. request. Once you click on this, it is going to say waiting for webhook response. And once it is saying waiting for webhook response, you have to wait until you receive a real lead in real time. The second option is like if you do not have real lead coming in real time, you can generate a test lead yourself. And in order to generate a test lead, capture the trigger response in the TikTok lead generation app. You will have to make use of create test lead action in the next step. For this, you can read the documentation given right over here, and in this documentation we have attached a video using which you can learn how to generate this test lead. I have already generated my test lead, so I'm just going to capture the response for the same right over here, and you can see we have received the positive response, and over here are all the details of the lead, be the first name, last name, phone number or the email address. And now let's connect this with Bolna AI. For that, click on this add new action step, and then for the action application we have to search for Bolna AI and we have to select it. For the event, you have to select it as make phone call and click on this connect. Now if you've already created a connection between Bolna AI and Pabbly Connect, then click on this select existing connection and then save. But if you haven't, follow me, click on add a new connection, and it is asking for this token. So to get this token, just open your Bolna AI account. From the left end of the side, you have to go towards this providers and make sure that you have connected your Twilio or any another account with this so that you have a telephony provider. I've connected my Twilio account right over here. Further, I'll just let you know how you can select your telephony provider too. First of all, you have to go towards this developer section, click on this create new API key button. Your API key will be created. Just copy the API key and paste it right over here, and then click on this save, and your Bolna AI account will be connected with Pabbly Connect. After creating this connection, what you have to do is you have to select the agent, and first of all you have to create the agent. And how can you create this agent? For that, you have to open your Bolna AI account, go towards this agent setup, and then new agent. Now we have some pre-built agents right over here. You can use any one of this, or if you want to build your own agent, go towards this auto build agent, enter the name of the agent, select the language, what do you want to achieve this call, answer all of these questions, and click on this generate agent. Your agent will be created something like this, and after this agent is created, you can set this LLM. You can select all the details like the temperature you want. Then you can also add the knowledge base of your business right over here. The next is this audio. You can select the provider, the model, you can set the voice, and also you can select the buffer size, the boost, stability, speed rate, and all of this right from here. If you wish, you can definitely add your own voice too. The next is this engine. You can select this detail, and now comes this call, which is very important. So you have to select the telephony provider right over here. I have selected this as Twilio because I have connected my Twilio account in the providers section, and so on. You can connect and create this agent right from here, and then click on this save agent to save this agent. Once you save this agent, you're going to see the cost per minute is this much, and also what is going to happen is whenever you're going to complete the call, in the call history you're going to see how many calls were executed. Also you can see the recordings right over here, and you can also see that this is the call which we made right now, all right, in the starting of this video. Okay, so now we have to select the agent right over here, and then it is asking me for the recipient phone number. So to enter this recipient phone number, you have an option of mapping. So you must be wondering, what is this mapping? So mapping is a method by Pabbly which means inserting the data from the previous step, and when we insert the data from the previous step, automatically our data becomes dynamic and changes with every new response received. So if you want to map this, you have to put a slash and then look for the phone number and map it like this right over here. And you also have to map this so that this workflow can run in real time. As you can see, I've successfully mapped this phone number. Now it is asking me to select the from phone number, so I've already connected my Twilio account, so I'm just going to select the same. Now it is asking me for the call schedule, date and time, and we also have to map this. And how are we going to get this? First of all, just enter two dots right over here and click on this save and close this Bolna AI. Now between this TikTok and Bolna AI, click on this add new action step. For the action application, search for date time formatter by Pabbly, event, select it as modify current date and click on this connect. Now for the format, you have to select this format. So as you can see that this is the format in which we want this date and time. So just copy this format and then you have to select this same format. All right, so let me search for this date time formatter. For the event, format, current date, click on this connect. Now for the format, just paste the format and select the same. For the time zone, search for UTC, selected. For the operations, click on this add unit as minutes, and for the value, keep it as 10. So what I've done is, like in this current date, I have added 10 minutes, and after this 10 minutes only the call is going to be made. So if you want to add 2 minutes, 5 minutes, it depends upon you, but I'll suggest you give a buffer time of 10 minutes. This much amount is the minimum time which it takes to make a call, or while we collect the details it might get delayed or something like that. So I'll suggest you keep it as 10 minutes and click on this save and send test request. Now you're going to receive the date and time which we're going to map further in this Bolna AI. So let's open our Bolna AI and now let's map this call schedule date and time. So put a slash and then map this date and time. After mapping this, it is asking for the additional customer details. So like you saw, when this made me a call, it said my name, and that was a personalized call. How can we do that? So for that, in the agent setup, make sure that you add the variable in this welcome message. You just have to add the variable in this brackets, which is curly brackets, and it will appear right over here too. And what you have to do is you have to switch on this mapping button, enter the same variable name right over here, and then you can map the name right over here too. So let's wait for a few seconds till it is creating the field for the name. Like I've created this field for the name, you can create this field for multiple things like email and so on if you want to contact the details related to same. So as you can see, I've mapped the name right over here too of my lead, and now this call will be made a more personalized call because it is going to say the name of my lead too. So yes, now after doing this, just click on this save and send test request, and once you're going to click on this save and send test request, you are going to receive a positive response. But now you can see it is saying provider recipient phone number is not valid because this is a dummy phone number. So let me replace this with the original phone number so that I can show the message and the response received. You don't have to do this because the details of the lead which you're going to receive will be real lead details. I use test lead details, that's the reason it is saying this. So now after replacing this, let's click on this save and send test request, and now once we're going to click on this save and send test request, you can see it is saying status scheduled and done. This means that we have successfully scheduled this call. And not only this call, now whenever I'm just going to receive a new lead from TikTok, within 10 minutes an automated voice call will be made to that lead using Bolna AI. And yes, now I don't have to hire a whole team just to call my leads. Bolna AI and Pabbly is going to do this, and I can just sit back and relax. So go and try this amazing automation for your own business too, because right now we're offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect. And while trying, if you have any doubts, you can drop them in the comment section below. Don't forget that the discount coupon code is also attached in the description box below, and the workflow URL of this workflow is also attached there. See you in the next video with many more automation tips, everyone. Thank you for watching. So not only these applications, but with the help of Pabbly Connect, you can connect many more applications. And now if you have any doubts, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issues, you can follow this URL. And now go try this amazing automation for your own business too, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect.